Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the battery on your Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process that can significantly extend the lifespan of your device. Let's dive into it step by step. First, ensure you have the following tools ready. 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A soft cloth for cleaning. 4. The compatible replacement battery for your Dyson V8. Begin by unplugging your Dyson V8. Safety first. Next, locate the battery release button, which is typically found at the back of the vacuum. Press this button to release the battery pack. Once the battery pack is removed, take a moment to inspect the compartment for any dust or debris. Use the soft cloth to clean the area gently. This will help prevent any potential issues when you install the new battery. Now, let's focus on the installation of your new battery. Carefully take your replacement battery and align it with the connections inside the battery compartment. Ensure the contacts are properly aligned to avoid any electrical issues. If you find that this process is outside your comfort zone, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's always good to have options. Secure the battery in place by pushing it until you hear a click. This indicates that it is properly locked in. Now, you'll want to replace the screws that hold the battery cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this step. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. Once the screws are in place, give the vacuum a quick wipe down to remove any dust gathered during the process. A clean vacuum not only looks better but also functions more efficiently. Now it's time to test your newly installed battery. Plug the Dyson V8 back in and turn it on. If everything is working correctly, you should notice improved performance and extended runtime. If you encounter any issues during this process or simply prefer to have a professional handle it, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service means no calls, no travel, and you can receive a quote before repair, making it a hassle-free option. In summary, replacing the battery on your Dyson V8 is a simple task that can be completed with a few basic tools. By following these steps, you can ensure that your vacuum continues to operate at its best. Always prioritize safety and consider professional help if needed. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.